Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly. I am back with another daggone video. So today we about to head to Cars and Coffee, and as in we got my lady, my fiance. She is doing the wrong thing right now because she know I have to do a startup. What is you doing? Hold on. Who's calling me? Somebody's calling me. Oh, hold on. Y'all see it? I'm about to get you in the car, babe. Pro Vezzy calling me. Let me see. What up, man? Yo, you on the vlog? What's up?
You talking on the what?
I said you on the vlog.
Oh, what's up, vlog? How y'all feeling?
Where we meet at? Greenbelt Mall, right?
Yeah, I'm already basically here.
All right, we about to get in the car and we about to
All right, bet.
yeah. I guess we pick up something over there cause I'm starving. All right, man. All right, so yeah, so as y'all know, well, as y'all heard, Pro Vezzy is coming too. So let's go ahead and get this cold start since I don't want you to be waiting outside, you know, too long. Too long. Why the car nasty at the top? Yo, Grizzly Gang, so I'm on my way to the Cars and Coffee in Potomac. Man, I caught a huge cramp. I did squats this morning. I did squats, back, arms, and leg, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, I caught a cramp like in my shoulder, my rear delt. It's over. I just got, well, look what I got. I bought 4 bananas, already ate, punished 2. I got that. Monica, what's your breakfast? Oh, that's a bad breakfast. Okay. That must be one of her cravings. But we about to head meet Pro Vezzy. Shout out to him and subscribe to his channel also. And we about to do go to Cars and Coffee. Real simple. I keep dropping stuff. Alright. Right, I know you want to be inside. All right, so look who we got, man. We got CROME, man. And of course, yes, Pro Vezzy, man. Hey, what's up? I've been seeing this whip in a minute. I mean, y'all don't even see what happened if y'all been paying attention to his channel. What's up? He got the hood scoop, man. Oh, look at that thing.
Yeah, a lot of new additions. You got the
oh, yeah, he got some more stuff coming, so you got to follow him on IG, too.
Oh,
he be posting. Oh, you said tomorrow? Okay. It's looking good already, but, man. You know, Black Beauty over there shining. I had to clean her up. This thing shining too. Coon was shining like a mug. She looking good. All right, so we trying to get over to Cars and Coffee. I'm gonna get some footage. I don't know what we gonna do, where we should park at. Man, these houses huge out. Look at these GTRs around me. Oh my goodness. GTR 1, GTR 2, CTSVs. Look at the rims though on this thing. I see you, dog. Nismo. Another Nismo GTR. They got the Mustang. Oh, they got the Celine joint. Okay, BMW squad over here. Ooh, Audi R8. Oh, they got that Cobra 500. What is it, GT? They got a C8. You already know about the C8s, y'all. Always looking good. There's a bunch of people out here. I'm trying to get out so we can see some stuff. People need to let me out. I see you, big dog. Get it if you want to. I don't think they stupid. Look at the wide bodies though. Come on. Oh. All right. Alright, so what we got here? We got the forged carbon. I don't know if it's real. It looks real. That looks good. Got the forged carbon.
What's it called? I went to the one in
check out these Lamborghini. Ooh, very nice. Lamborghini here. Yeah, that just sit low. Yeah. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Look at this Lambo, man. Man, so that thing do sit low. Of course, they got the McLaren. Which one is this? This is the 570. So these things are small, man. But they look good. You know, you got that Viper. ACR. So you know it's all about the race. This one used to be in Annapolis. So if y'all don't know. Let me see. Ooh, look at flakes. Can y'all see the flakes? Wow. We got another purple Lamborghini. Excuse me, y'all. This purple Lambo is nice. Wow. Purple Lambo. Okay. This is my first time seeing the back. So this is what a tall guy got. I think he has this one. I don't know if it's a Lambo though. I don't care what you say, you're still driving in a Lambo. Look how low it is to the floor. You see how low it is, babe? That's just crazy. No, look at the seat. You're low. You're low. Back of that thing. Woo. Purple in this joint. Audi 8. Yeah, this is mad. Audi 8 is sick. This must be the Lambo squad. This purple though. See the purple in that joint? That's nice. That's different. Seem like it. See. Wow. Look at the blue on this. Yeah. I think this is what they call the Huracan. I think it's the Huracan. This is the way everybody talks. This is like more affordable than the SVJ or the SV. That's what they say. We got the forged carbon. Let me get it. Ooh, look at the forged carbon, y'all. We got forged carbon back here too. Yes, all right. This is the Huracan. The Huracan. Yeah. Look at the inside. Yeah. They got a Ferrari. I know, man. Do it. I had to go. I had to go like a what? I got a cramp in my right arm, so I had to go run into the thing and get like some rapid like Tylenol, and like I had to just scarf down like a banana just now. Like this shit was hurt. It was just locking. Like I couldn't even move my arm. It was like I was like, where you going? I was like, I gotta go. I was like, hope y'all understand. I'll see y'all soon. Yeah, these are nice, man. You like the Huracan? You like the Huracan?
Yeah, this is my number,
you like the Huracan?
Number one dream car.
This is the number one dream? Yeah, this you? Look at the forged carbon though, in the inside too.
Performante, one of my favorites.
What is it? Is the Performante or the Huracan?
It's a Huracan. It's a Huracan Performante. It's the top of the line Huracan.
Yeah, I don't know too much of it, but he know. You know, I'm not a Lambo. I'm trying to get into the Lambos and stuff.
Oh man.
But yeah, this ain't sick.
Right there.
Yeah, that Aventador. Oh, that's the Aventador. Oh, look at the wrap though. Look at the wrap on this one. This is wild. This is the older Lambo. Yeah. Hey, that's what is that? I know I've seen it before. SRT, Juwan. Yeah. This is a 1,000 horsepower SRT. I've seen it before, man. Wow. I ain't even trying to stop. Homie, but yeah. Hand built though. If you got an Aston Martin, your car is hand built. That's what I know. I mean, I'm just saying, I ain't gonna do it. But that joint. No, what was that? Look at the wheels on this thing. Dude. Yeah, he did some stuff to it too. Aston Martin though. Yeah. What they going to? You know when black people see, they ain't gonna do nothing. Woo! That Aston Martin. It's the 1,000 horsepower jump. Oh. Yeah. I remember. I can't remember his name. It's like SRT something. Yeah, this is him. This the Hellcat that went viral. This ain't with big viral, man. He got the Mickey T's on both sides, one to the front and the back. I'm trying to remember his name. There you go. That's his name on IG and his YouTube. Check him out, y'all. This thing is mean.
I was happy because I felt probably one or two.
And we got another track out with the yellow Brimbos. Ooh, nice old school Corvette. I see you, man. Got the Lexo and the Super. You know, everybody loves a Super with a big old thing in the thing. Yeah, I'm telling you, boy, that joke's me. Oh, got the little chillers. What do you got in the back? Got the stickies. The RA888s. Ooh, you know I love the Chevys, man. I'm a big Chevy dude. I'm not really, but I just like Chevys. I think because of just growing up looking at Chevys all the time. McLaren over there too. Dang, this a supercar nation. Ooh, punch buggy, don't push back. I got money, y'all. Punch buggy, don't punch back. What is this? What's this? It's a car cooler? Oh, is it real? Wow. I think it was like AC. Volkswagen rims. How's she gonna ask me what type of rims? You see Volkswagen.
Because it looked like it was trying to be white all the time.
Sorry, no, I'm just playing. Ooh, GTR. I need one. Yeah, I need one ASAP. This would be more on my price, man. You know, I don't want to go too crazy.
70 what? 70, 80K, bro?
It'd be more of a price.
Do this on Hellcat.
And this is what I'm thinking about putting on the 300. 285. Cause I want to go 305, but I'm scared for it to rub. Yeah. So I'll probably get 285. All-wheel drive too. Big old thing. Yeah. Oh, you know the CTSV. That's something I would bring to the channel, like ASAP, but the newer one. Yeah, this is the older version, but it's a CTSV. It's just a four-door car with a Corvette engine in it. You know, why wouldn't you like a Corvette engine? You know, tell me why you wouldn't like it. Oh, they rolling. Oh, you got the stripes, team stripes. This is what we was looking at the other day. we stopped at the Ford dealership.
I did know. What we doing in the I was like, yo, Brizzy was in the Ford dealership.
Yeah, I know. I had to go in there, man. This used to be my dream car. I mean, I still love Mustang. Don't get me wrong. I wouldn't bring one to the channel only if somebody had it and I just ride with it.
Exactly.
But I'm not buying one. But I like them though. Trust me, I do. But if somebody gave it to me, I would take it. And if it's just a good opportunity, I'll take it, man. Beautiful. Oh, got the duck bill, yeah. This the real deal right here. Hey, how you doing? Good. Woo. All right, so what you doing, man? What's this? What is this, man? What is this? I mean, you already know it. I'm just messing with it. What is this, man? I see you got this sticky stuff on it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh. Yeah, somebody went crazy just now. Woo. So you know I had to stop my guy here, man. I just see the car and I was like, I gotta stop him and see what he done did to this. Cause I see he got the tires on there, but what he done to the engine? So what he done?
It's a built 3.8.
Okay.
12 injector setup. It's about on wastegate right now at 1,000.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
All right, man. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Grizzly Marty.
We used to GT Bomber. That's my buddy Bob.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay, yeah, I've been looking at it.
Too.
It's funny because I was at the Ford dealership looking at those. Just looking, you know, I have a Chrysler 300. Yeah, so I'm about to put a Pro Charger on there.
300s are nice.
Yeah, I love it, man. It's a 19 too, so I'm modern. You gotta follow my channel. It's Grizzly Marty.
Oh yeah, check mine out. Mine's an Italian Stallion 410.
Hey man, that's your YouTube too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can do some collabs, man.
You got a lot of subs?
This thing is crazy.
You just started.
I started about it's 10 months now.
Oh nice.
And I have almost have 3,000.
Oh good.
You know, so I'm moving fairly, you know, doing pretty good.
So it's just slow grind. That's all it is.
Yeah, slow grind. You just gotta keep going. They get their pictures and everything. So you know the Ford GT came out here. Everybody getting their shots in. Got some big old tires. I mean, if y'all watch my vlog, y'all seen I sit in one when I was in Ohio. There's some red one right here. I saw something else. I think it's a Pista Ferrari. And you know, Aston Martin. That's me right there, Aston Martin all the time. But look at the Ferrari. You get your shots if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and get mine too. This is my first time seeing one of these mugs. Whoa. This is super. Look how clean it is. Look at the detail too. Man. I don't know. You think it's still in the show, bro?
Can't even compete with that.
I don't know. Look how like the air just like goes in. Like everything is just like so different. Like when you see it, look at the orange seats. I ain't even trying to get in my man's way. He trying to get his shots though. But look at the orange though. So I need these seats in my 300. Black and orange?
Yeah.
Bro.
You trying to take them up?
Yeah. Nah, I don't know. I probably get There's too many eyes around here. We gotta catch him when he turn the corner down there. You know, we gonna pull up beside him.
Oh, is that a memory?
Snap, snap. Yeah. Carbon fiber and all this other. Everything is just beautiful about this car. Crazy. It backs up so hard. That thing is wild. Yeah, you can't see out of that. You know I gotta look inside the Lambo, man. I'm new to like the Lambo area. It's all American muscle and stuff like that for me. But I definitely want to get a look at this. This Aventador, man. Just gotta wait my turn.
And also, I think
What they say when the doors go up, the panties come down? They keep those on. I ain't playing. No, don't get it. Are you get in and jump up? When I jump in, I'm gonna slam the door and you just go, right?
I'm gonna jump in.
Follow him, y'all. This Lambo is nice too. It's the Aventador. Crazy with the glass. I see you. You said they try to soup it up, but it's hot. Yo, I hope y'all can hear me through all this, but it wouldn't be a car meet if I didn't show y'all this. Oh my lord, an RX-7. You already know I'm in love with the RX-7. I love Mazda. I love everything about Mazda. I got a Mazda sign tatted on my chest. But yeah, this is what I will get. I would definitely get one of these. No, I can't. How you getting it?
I need to squeeze in the car real quick.
That's big squeeze.
I need to squeeze in
Oh no, you sit on the floor.
Yeah. I need to squeeze in the car real quick.
You literally sit on the floor.
That's the work.
Wow, that's crazy.
I'm not getting that. It's cool though. It's probably fast as a mud, but
That's uncomfortable.
you got a triple Ace on it?
I can go like this.
You got good money. Yeah. Woo. Yes,
Mercedes truck.
Oh, he got two. Both of these are his. Yeah. Lord.
Oh, man.
Oh. That thing is beautiful.
How he gonna leave his roof?
We're gonna wait for him. He getting crazy. That's a good thumbnail right there. I'm ready to go too. I'm ready to use the bathroom. Woo! That's a good thumbnail too.
Basic cars in the way. It's not about you.